This is Pla Ra. It has a very pungent smell. 1, 2,
3.
Actually, the flavour just keeps coming. Quite strong. Hello again, guys, from Dak in North Thailand. It was about 12 degrees this morning, which is fantastic compared to the 44 degrees you can get in the summer. And basically, any excuse to come to the morning markets here. They're fantastic, full of goodies. But there is one thing that I have a slight aversion to, and it rather smells, to put it politely. It's pickled fish that they make here in Thailand, called Pla Ra. I hate anything fishy. Hello. Anything fishy. Smell, taste. I can't eat fish. So we're heading into this lovely market full of goodies. Fantastic chilies, my favourite. And we'll see you in a bit. This is what we're looking for, right? Is this the Pla Ra? This is Pla Ra. It has a very pungent smell. It really does smell. Let's have a closer look. Is that fish or crab?
Fish.
It's a fish, is it? Right, okay.
But like tiny fish.
Are you gonna bet me?
เท่าไหร่ ให้200
200 baht that I eat Pla Ra. 200 bahtเหรอ?
ใช่200 บาท
Okay. Okay. Yeah. I think I'm brave enough. Let's do it. So what gives it the brown color? It's the.
I think it's the rice bran.
So you add rice bran. So it's basically just rice bran, salt, and fish, and you leave it for 5 to 8 weeks.
Yeah.
Wow.
My mom leave it for 3 months.
Oh my goodness. Well, remind me not to come around for dinner. Oh, wow. But Pla Ra is still popular with young Thais, or is it really just the older generation that like
Yes.
it?
But like be like ส้มตำปลาร้าอร่อยมาก
And I think we've got you got to be careful of these motorbikes. Old ladies on motorbikes, very dangerous in Thailand. These wonderful shops. So this is the coconut sugar. Yeah, I can see all the ants.
ปลาร้า
Pla Ra นะ
ปลาร้า
ฝรั่งชอบกินไหม อร่อยนะอร่อยไม่ค่อยกิน
ฝรั่งไม่ค่อยกินแต่คนไทยชอบกิน
ชอบกินเหรออันนี้
ยิ่งปลาร้านี่ยิ่งกินดีใหญ่เลยปลาร้าชิ้นทอด
อันนี้เผ็ดไหม
ไม่เผ็ดหรอก
ไม่เผ็ดเหรอโอเคอันนี้เหรออันนี้
ปลาร้าบดไปทำน้ำพริกปลาร้า
Okay, so they pound it up. Oh, this one has a really strong smell. And I've got to eat this. Are you sure?
ที่เขาซื้อไปใส่ส้มตำค่ะเนี่ยปลาร้าก็ดีอยู่มันเป็นลำ
So this is the Pla Ra that they put in som tam, la? So kinti som tam, la? Okay. Wow.
มันอร่อย
Okay, kap kumanakap.
เอาไป
Is this what's it, cuttlefish? I'm not exactly sure. I'm not a fish seafood expert.
sweet look
Ah, okay.
it's sweet see
Okay. And how would you eat? Do you just fry it up or you have it in?
now they put in a noodle
Ah, okay. Yeah, there's Pla Ra everywhere I go, and it smells so interesting.
หอมไหม
Hom. Oh, นี่เยอะ Oh, that is seriously stinky. Oh, but in a good way. That looks hardcore. Hello. อันนี้ทำเองเหรอทำอาหารเองโอเคนะเก่งนะ Wow. So it's pickled. Everything's pickled. So you got pickled mango,
tamarind
pickled tamarind.
I'm not sure what's that one called
Looks like cucumber, right? Or is it cucumber?
no it's some kind of fruit like sour
Long, no? Kin, no?
ลองด้วย
I'm gonna try one. Anina? Okay, okay. Let me try one.
เปรี้ยว really เปรี้ยว
Peel no, peel. But alloy. Tap the manica. Fucking hell, that's. Actually, the flavour just keeps coming. Quite strong. When it first goes in, it's quite sweet, but then the sourness hits you. Oh, I'm gonna have to. Well, if that's what that looked the most innocent thing to eat there. I mean, if I'd tried fish, I would have probably embarrassed myself. So this bet for 200. What have I got to do? I'm not eating from the bowls in the market. So how are we going to do the bet?
กินส้มตำปลาร้า
Somtam Pla Ra.
ง่ายสุดอร่อยด้วย
Okay, right. Well, we'll head off to the restaurant and yeah, we'll see you guys in a bit for some Somtam Pla Ra. Alright, so we're at the restaurant, and according to Pa, this restaurant has a really potent Pla Ra. I think that looks like the Pla Ra. I'm sort of regretting this bet at the moment. Right, so we've got a bit of a feast here, and we'll just go through it quickly. You get some free vegetables when you order Somtam in Thailand. You've got beans and holopao, which you normally get in green curry. We've got the normal Somtam, peanuts, tomato. This is papaya, but unripened papaya, isn't it? We've got the Pla Ra Somtam, which I will be trying. Beautiful
หมูย่าง
grilled pork with a quite spicy sauce, and chicken. This is also Somtam, right? But it's got the sweet corn and some pork on the top. But there's no papaya in this one, right?
no
Okay. And this is like a bean noodle, very hot, with pork mince and onions and tomato.
spicy salad
Very nice. And you eat it with sticky rice or glutinous rice. So you can dip in the sauce. It tastes fantastic. Right, okay. So now for the reason why we're here, I've got to try this. Apparently this is a watered down version so I don't throw up. But yes, the things you do for YouTube. Okay. So do I need to eat I don't need to eat the crab legs. I'm not eating crab legs.
no
So I need just the brown Pla Ra sauce, yeah? And what's this? This is noodle, right? That is soaking in Pla Ra sauce. Right, okay.
mouthful
I can't spit it out, right?
no
Okay, one. One, two.
3
It's really,
How is it?
really fishy.
can you handle it don't spit out don't spit out
Oh, it's not that bad. Well, it is, but it's very sweet as well. So the sweetness sort of took over the fishiness. But yeah, that was bad. That was bad for me. And this is a baby one, right? Yeah, I think if I'd had the full hardcore adult version, it would have been an embarrassing situation. I've had Pla Ra for the first time and probably the last time. Thank you guys for watching. We're going to enjoy our feast and we'll see you in the next video.